summarize, there are about 5 to 6 things that you'll have to take care. First one is that you need to spend at least 5 to 6 hours daily or more as per your liking in reading or writing or studying those subjects that are there. Now, the second thing is that you need to take mock tests regularly after completing a subject so that you know where you stand. So, खाली पढ़ने से कुछ नहीं होता है, आपको उसको वहाँ जाके लिखना भी होगा और जो लिखते हैं वही पास होते हैं. Once you are through with the subject, take a mock test. And if you find any lacking issues there, plug those loopholes and then move on. I'll also say that you should take mock tests in real जहाँ पे एग्जाम होते हैं तो जो सेटिंग है उसी सेटिंग में आप एग्जाम दें so that you come out of that fear of giving an exam. The third point is that most of the students are stuck whether they should give 2 groups in one go or take one group at a time. There is no correct formula I would say, to choose how to choose. Now, some are good at all the subjects and they have the acumen of giving all the tests at one go. They should rather go for 2 groups together. But if the student finds that all 6 subjects or 8 subjects are very hard to do at one go, then you can choose to take one group. Don't let your ego or your hard beliefs get over you. एक ग्रुप देने वाले सीए भी एक एक करके पास होकर सीए बनते हैं और जो 2 साथ में देते हैं वो भी सीए बनते हैं और वो इक्वल सीए हैं, कोई अलग डिग्री नहीं मिलती है. सो डोंट गो फॉर 2 ग्रुप्स इफ यू आर नॉट good at all the subjects in one. Choose wisely because that is how you'll become a CA. Disciplined lifestyle is one more aspect that you need to decide and follow. आप आज 10 घंटे पढ़ रहे हैं और कल कुछ नहीं पढ़ रहे. That is not going to help you. So have a disciplined lifestyle. And have a good mentor जहाँ पे आप जाके उनसे डिस्कस कर सकते हो कि आपने क्या किया, सही किया, कहाँ गलत किया. Because he would be having a lot of knowledge because he's gone through it. That CA can be a professor. He can be practicing chartered accountant. जिसके साथ भी आप comfortable हैं और open up हो सकते हैं, at least once a month or once 2 months, you should go and sit with him for an hour or 2 and discuss what you've done and not. I've always believed in this notion. ये कोर्स इंसान ने ही डिज़ाइन किया है और इंसान ही पास होते हैं. 5% रिजल्ट आता है, 10% रिजल्ट आता है, पर इफ यू फॉलो दिस डिसिप्लिन लाइफस्टाइल एंड गो थ्रू द एंटायर चेन, आई बिलीव यू विल बी इन द 5% ब्रैकेट एंड नॉट इन द 95% ब्रैकेट. सो वर्क हार्ड एंड यू विल गेट गुड रिजल्ट्स. थैंक यू.